Hello everybody, it's Ismael from Milo Prints, and today I'm really excited to show you something that can completely change how you make t-shirts right from home. This is something new for Screen Prints Direct, and trust me, you're gonna want to stick around to the end of the video to find out just how affordable this thing really is. Alright, let's jump straight into it. The Screen Prints Direct A4 DTF printer. First impression, this thing is clean, compact, and feels solid right out the box. Screen Prints Direct really thought this one through. The A4 DTF printer is a total game changer for hobbyists or small shops looking to get into DTF printing without spending thousands. And the best part, this bundle comes with everything you need to get started. We're talking the A4 DTF printer. Of course, your curing oven, DTF transfer film, DTF inks, and adhesive powder. You even get a RIP software to manage your prints, extra cleaning supplies to help maintain your printer, plus free artwork files so you can start printing right away. Seriously, that's everything you need to start making transfers on day one. No extra purchases, no complicated setup, just plug it in, install the software, and you're ready to print. Okay, let's talk features, and I'll show you the buttons and the functions as we get everything installed. The A4 DTF printer is designed for simplicity. It's compact enough to fit right on your desk, with dimensions of 21 inches wide, 14.5 inches deep, and about 6 inches tall. On the front, you'll find 4 main buttons: power, Wi-Fi setting, network status, and stop operation. Super straightforward and beginner friendly. It runs on standard 110 volts, works with DTF water-based inks, and if you don't have Wi-Fi, no worries. You can simply connect it through the included USB cable. Now, let's install the software. Inside your box, you'll find 2 flash drivers. The pink flash drive is your key. It must stay plugged into your computer while you're using the printing software. Think of it as your license to print. Then, you got your smaller metal flash drive. That's where you find everything else you need to get started. Your RIP software, printing drivers, free art files, and a few other essentials. Just open the files, follow the installation steps in the manual, and you'll be good to go. Next, we install the bottom piece of the printer. This is where your printed transfer film will fall once it's done printing. After that, we'll go ahead and add our inks. This printer uses 5 ink colors: yellow, cyan, magenta, black, and white. And the last opening is for your waste ink tank, which helps keep the printer clean during maintenance cycle. Now, just a heads up, this printer is a conversion of an Epson inkjet printer into a DTF printer. And if you know Epson, you know they're known for amazing print quality. I actually have 3 Epson printers myself, so don't be alarmed if you notice there's no cartridges visible in the front. That's totally normal for this type of setup. Alright, now that we added our inks, let's head over to the RIP software and get everything set up. First thing I like to do is adjust a few settings, like switching the measurements from millimeters to inches and tweaking the print size revision. You'll find these steps clearly in your manual, so don't worry if you're not familiar with them yet. Once you upload your design into the software, take a look at the bottom right hand side. You'll see 4 main columns. The first one is your layout. This is where you can check your print size, mirror your image, and center your design perfectly. Next is your printer settings, where you can adjust the print quality and speed. Then you've got your color management, which helps you control how your color prints. And last, the white ink control. This is where you fine tune how much white ink is laid down for your transfers. Again, everything you need to know about these settings is included in your manual, so take your time going through it. Now that we got everything dialed in, let's do a couple test runs and see how the printer performs. Alright, so here's our first test print, and yeah, total fail. There's no ink on the transfer film at all. But hey, that's totally normal when the printer is brand new. The ink still has to flow through the print head, so don't panic. Just have a little patience and run it again. Now for the second print, boom, we finally have ink. But another fail, and that's on me. I placed the transfer film the wrong way. Here's a quick tip. Most DTF films are dual-sided. You got a matte finish on one side and a semi-matte finish on the printing side. Always print on the semi-matte side. It gives better grip inside the printer and ensures perfect positioning for your print. Now, onto our third test print, and this came out amazing. The colors are super vibrant, no overlapping on the edges, perfectly centered, and even the tiny details printed flawlessly. Now that we got our printer fully dialed in, let's go get our oven. Now, the oven is going to be the hardest thing to install. I'm just kidding. We actually don't do much at all. We just remove the foam from the inside, take out the protective material around the bulb, and add the handle using 2 screws. That's it. If you have an exhaust fan, you can connect it right up here on top of the extra ventilation. Now let me give you a quick rundown. This is your DTF oven, and it fits perfectly on your workbench. The size is 21 inches wide, 20 inches deep, and about 6 inches tall. It runs on 110 volts, so it'll plug right into a regular outlet. Inside, you got a baking tray with a Teflon sheet, so you can just pull it out, drop your transfer in, and slide it back. It's large enough to handle up to 13 by 18 inch transfers. Perfect if you ever upgrade to a bigger printer down the line. On the front, you see the temperature and time interface. The oven automatically sets the temp to 300 Fahrenheit and the timer to 360 seconds. So there's no need to manually adjust anything. Just turn it on and you're good to go. Enough talking. Let me show you how to create a DTF transfer from scratch. So we're back in my garage and the transfers came out amazing. The colors are bright, the details are sharp, and everything printed clean and centered. One of the best parts about using the 𝗧𝗲𝘅 software is that amount of control you get over your ink level. For example, if you're printing on white t-shirts or even paper, there's no need to lay down all that extra white ink. And if you're printing on black shirts, you can actually eliminate the black color from the design to save ink and get a cleaner finish. Alright, now let's go press them. It's a super simple process, just 4 easy steps. Step 1, preheat your garment to remove any moisture and wrinkles. Step 2, line up your transfer exactly where you want it. Step 3, press it for 12 seconds at 330 Fahrenheit. And step 4, peel. You can do it hot peel or cold peel, whichever you prefer. Easy as 1, 2, 3. So that's the brand new A4 DTF printer from Screen Print Direct. An affordable all-in-one setup that lets you print your own materials right from home. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and drop a comment if you have any questions. And of course, subscribe to Screen Print Direct's channel for more tutorials, product demos, and printing tips. And I almost forgot, if you want to know the price for this full setup, check the link below. It'll break down everything you need to know. Have a beautiful day, and God bless you all.